Attention please, passengers, Corendon 1616 destination Cologne, receive navigation service. Passenger Corendon 1616 destination Cologne, we are boarding navigation service. Atención, pasajeros de la Corendon 1616 destino Cologne, presente se reporta 27. Pasajeros de la Corendon destino Cologne, estamos embarcando la puerta número 27.
Dear passengers, welcome on board. Please store your large electronic devices and all other hand luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. Inform the cabin crew immediately and do not move your seat if your device or battery is damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost or falls into the seat structure. Since all exits and the aisle must be clear due to safety regulations, please make sure that your hand luggage is stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. In case of an emergency, it is important that you leave your hand luggage and all other personal items behind while leaving the aircraft. During the flight, you must comply with all cabin crew instructions and the warning lights. Thank you.
Welcome on board this Corendon Boeing 737 flight to Cologne. Presently just waiting in the queue for our takeoff clearance. We have one aircraft landed now and one aircraft in front of us to depart, and then we'll be number 3. Once we're underway, flight time 4 hours 30 minutes and expected general smooth flying conditions en route. Although we do remind you, the usuals of safety to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever seated. Weather for our arrival into Cologne is quite good, cloudy and temperature 4 degrees. On behalf of the crew, we'd like to wish you a pleasant and enjoyable flight. Thank you for your attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we depart, we would like to give you some safety information. Seatbelts are fastened, adjusted to your waist, and unfastened as shown. For your safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Our aircraft has 8 exits. The emergency lights leading to the exits are located through the aisle, on the sides of overhead bins, and above the emergency exit doors. In case of an evacuation, the lighting system shown by the crew will lead you to the nearest exit. You must leave behind all hand luggage, high heels, and sharp objects to ensure a quick evacuation. Should there be a loss of pressure in the cabin, oxygen masks will be automatically released from the service unit above your seat. In this case, pull the nearest mask immediately, place it over your face, covering your nose and mouth. Adjust the headband, pull the straps to adjust your mask, and breathe normally. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping your child or others. Your life vest is under your seat. Do not remove it unless you're instructed by the crew. Slip the life vest over your head, attach the buckles together, and tighten the strap to fit your waist. The life vest will inflate automatically after pulling these red handles. It may also be inflated by blowing through these tubes. This light will glow in the water and help others to locate you. Inflate your life vest at the door before jumping into water or outside onto the wing. In case of emergency, put the life vest on your infant and inflate immediately. Your safety card, which includes emergency brace position and other important safety information, is available in the seat pocket in front of you. Read your safety card before takeoff. Now, fasten your seatbelt, make sure your seat is in an upright position, your tray table is closed, and raise your window shade. During flight, you are required to comply with all signs and cabin crew instructions. Thank you for your attention, and on behalf of Corendon Airlines, we wish you have a pleasant flight. been switched off. Thank you. Meine Damen und Herren, bitte bleiben Sie noch so lange angeschnallt, bis die Anschnallzeichen über Ihnen erloschen sind. Vielen Dank.
Ladies and gentlemen of the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. We have now commenced our descent into Cologne, estimating to land in approximately just under 30 minutes, a local time of 15 minutes past 7 in the evening. It's about 40 minutes ahead of schedule. The weather for Cologne is very nice, light winds, few clouds, temperature 4 degrees Celsius. Thank you for choosing to fly Corendon and wish you a nice evening. Cologne, safe journey for those of you along the connections. Thank you for your attention.
Gentlemen, we are now descending. Kindly return to your seat, fasten your seatbelt, make sure your seat is in an upright position, your tray table is closed and your window shade is opened. Please assist your children with their seatbelts. For safety reasons, stow away your hand luggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. All electronic devices should remain switched off until the aircraft has reached its parking position. We recommend you to read again your safety card, which is in the seat pocket. Thank you, and we wish you a pleasant landing. Sehr geehrte Fluggäste, wir haben mit unserem Sinkflug begonnen. Bitte begeben Sie sich nun wieder auf Ihre Sitzplätze und schließen Sie Ihren Sicherheitsgurt. Stellen Sie Ihre Rückenlehne senkrecht, klappen Sie Ihren Tisch hoch und öffnen Sie Ihre Sonnenblende. Unterstützen Sie bitte Ihre Kinder beim Anschnallen. Verstauen Sie aus Sicherheitsgründen Ihr Handgepäck in den oberen Ablagen oder unter Ihrem Vordersitz. Schalten Sie nun wieder alle elektronischen Geräte vollständig aus, bis unser Flugzeug seine endgültige Parkposition erreicht hat. Wir empfehlen Ihnen, Ihre Sicherheitskarte, die sich in der Sitztasche von Ihnen befindet, einmal zu lesen. Vielen Dank.
Ladies and gentlemen and dear children, welcome to Corendon Airport. For your own safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened until the signal sign has been switched off. Please take care when opening your overhead bins, and before disembarking, check that you have always your hand luggage with you. Mobile phones should remain switched off until the aircraft has reached its parking position. The local time is 15 minutes past 7 in the evening, and the outside temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. Captains now James Peter, Manat Anais, and the cabin crew hope to see you again on another flight. Thank you for flying with Corendon Airlines Europe, and goodbye.